Hi, this is Yoreli, Alexis, and Yadira, and we're going to be talking about the Mexican drug wars and how the Mexican drug cartel war are affecting the innocent lives of the people living in Mexico. Here's this picture, and this picture represents how the Mexican cartel includes killing, drugs, guns, and the death of people.
This is a question that is our main focus today.
To start out, 43 students were kidnapped in Iguala, Mexico in September 2014 by corrupted policemen, and the students were given to a Mexican drug gang. A couple weeks later, most of the students were found. CNN stated, "So far, the remains of only one student has been identified, and parents are still asking what happened to the other 42.
But the head of the Criminal Investigations Agency says the remains were so badly burned that extracting DNA samples for identification is now impossible. The ashes were thrown into the nearby San Juan River.
To this day, many of the bodies found in the river have not been identified. This affects the people knowing that the government is getting corrupted and getting controlled by the drug gangs.
Remember the hanging in 2012, where 23 bodies were hanging from a bridge in the main highway of the state of Tamaulipas.
Many hours later,
They found 14 decapitated heads inside of coolers that were placed outside the city hall.
Inside the coolers there was a note with threats from a drug gang, but the police did not release what was on the note specifically.
the bodies of the decapitated heads were found in black garbage bags on an international bridge.
This affected the people of Mexico because the families of the people who were killed by the drug gangs were falling apart. They did not have much protection from the police because of the corruption that's going on in Mexico.
What did the government or the president do to stop it?
Nothing. The president and the government knew about the cartels killing people and selling drugs, but they did nothing to stop it. But they were being controlled by the cartel leader. The cartels had more armor, which made the government to back off and couldn't do anything about it.
The citizens of Mexico decided to protest to the Mexican president Peña Nieto to kick him out.